Good morning, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this week. Today I'm finishing up reading for Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. And this reading here is for Pisces. Welcome, Pisces. The first card is from the Work Your Light Oracle deck. Out for you came Share Your Voice. And Share Your Voice is about coming out of the cave and some kind of a special expression. You are being called to share your voice, perhaps by speaking up in a relationship or through writing. You could speak, you could sing, or you could do some other form of creative expression as well. We each hold a truth deep within us that longs to be expressed, is the message. Sculpted for lifetimes, the voice of your soul is like no other. It carries with it the wisdom that can only begin through your soul history and growth. And by remembering, tapping into, and expressing this unique tone, we not only heal ourselves, we also heal the planet at large. So when you share your voice, you unlock something in the universe and you call a missing piece, and your individual voice is the most powerful sound current on the planet. If you have kept your soul's voice silenced or held back, chanting or singing could be truly life-changing for you. As we shed the layers of our personality and start letting our unique soul speak through us, we discover that we actually have a very clear message that longs to be shared. And the more we speak it, the clearer it gets. There has never been a better time in history than right now for you to rise up, speak your truth, and share your soul's voice. And if you feel fearful, know that you are not alone and that the world needs your unique tone in order to find harmony. As we each rise up and share our song, we make it easier for the next person to do the same. Say this work your light action. I express myself, I share my voice, I speak to those who can hear me. The next card is the Wisdom of Oracle card. Out came Peace. And the essential meaning of the card is freedom from attachment and radical acceptance. The Oracle's message is that it doesn't get any better than this: a quiet mind, a heart fulfilled, freedom from wants, and the soul's satisfaction. The way to peace is through radical acceptance. Everything in your world is exactly as it should be, and harmony is beautiful, so enjoy it. There is a relationship message here. When two people are in true alignment with one another, they have an innate harmony between them. They are as two perfectly tuned instruments playing together. Sometimes it is impossible to tell who is who. Peace is yours, and it is to be savored. There is a prosperity message. This is one of those times when you are capable of clear vision about your work and how you create your prosperity. Whatever you are doing, keep doing it. You are called by a presence to step into your power. Just being is enough, for you are in peaceful harmony with spirit, and it shows in your work. There is a protection message here as well. Now is a time for calmness and for well-being in spite of temporary conditions. Even if there are dissonant notes in the music of your life, all that means is that you must go within and fine-tune this extraordinary instrument that you are. Find harmony within yourself and do not look to the outer world to provide you some certainty. This too shall pass, and once again your life will be filled with beautiful music. The next card is the Quantum Oracle card, and that too is peace. So we have 2 times peace in your reading. This card of peace is about inner balance and outer harmony. A woman gently swings in a tranquil, sunlit sky, while swans swim on a lake in the clouds. Here on the card. The card shows that there is a peaceful energy settling in your mind and manifesting in your life at this time. Gaining inner balance is a starting point to the peace and the harmony you are trying to achieve in your world. If you have not already mastered this intention for tranquility, know that you are capable of doing so. There is an inner strength that comes from such activities as meditation and deep breathing. If you add healthy nutrition, regular exercise, and plenty of water to your regimen, you will achieve a personal balance that will then spread in every direction of your life. The clarity that comes from peace of mind projects a vibrant light in the universe and brings a joyous harmony into all areas of your life. Say this affirmation: I live a balanced and a peaceful life. I take time to breathe, to relax, and then let go. The Priestess of Light card for you is Portal, and Portal relates to infinite mind, awakening consciousness. The card is heralding the coming of a very powerful time for you. It signifies no less than the awakening of your infinite and your eternal awareness. A golden radiance encircles the crown chakra and the third eye of this sacred priestess, representing the profound connections that reach from your own mind to the unlimited power of divine source. So this is the portal to your ultimate experience of inspiration. You are connected to the unending flow of beneficial information resonating all around you and touching on everything from creative or artistic endeavors to work projects and even financial investments. This doorway to eternal guidance is open to you now. The circle is the very real vortex of your eternal consciousness, which is being sent outward in every direction by the arrows, the triangles of your intention and your life force. But just as the rays of your own light move out into infinite awareness, so too do the rays of divine consciousness return to commune with you. This magical connection can change your life in spectacular ways. It heightens your intuition, helping you harness the wisdom of the universe throughout all your experiences, great and small. So when the card comes up in your reading, you will find yourself making spontaneous, honoring decisions, trusting your choices, and clearly seeing the future potentials coming into your life. The portal marks a time of expanding consciousness, open to the guidance of your own eternal mind, and so look to the future with confidence. Say this affirmation: heavenly light opens my crown and my brow chakras. I resonate with the eternal wisdom of my soul. I am divinely guided. The energy card that you got is the storm warning. And the storm warning is about some clouds on the horizon. The card might indicate a potential difficulty either in the external world or within yourself and your emotional life. The difficulty is coming closer, and you may have already heard some rumblings of a potential storm around you. The caution here is to be conscious, yet not fearful. Consider what is going on and look at the situation with calm clarity. Investigate your options and honor yourself and your intentions. Stand up for yourself and take action on your own behalf. As with all difficulties, even the worst storm will pass. Always remember that you have the power and the wisdom to handle whatever may come your way. And know that storms belong to life. Say this affirmation: I have the power to overcome any obstacle. No matter what is going on, I can be strong, confident, and self-directed. And the last card is from the Bob Ross Oracle deck, and it is the color. Bob Ross promoted a painting style called wet on wet technique of painting, and this is unusual since the colors, they are mixed not on the palette, but not on the palette like with the traditional painting, but on the canvas itself. The colors painted upon the canvas, they blend with the white or the black base coat, and so creating magnificent swirls and variations of color that come only with this technique. If you over mix it on the palette, then you get one dead old dull color, and we are looking for some life and some action in the painting. Bob Ross said, "We want this son of a gun to stand out and shine in the sun. So do not overdo or overthink things in life. Instead, look to the color for your guidance on mixing things up just enough that they are sure to pop without becoming dull." That was the reading for you, Pisces. I thank you for listening. I'm sorry for the bad reading today, or readings rather, the 4 last readings. Well, today I'm not feeling too well, and so I'm not fully concentrating on the reading. I'm sorry for it. To all 4 of you, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces, I hope my next reading will be better. So forgive me. Wishing you a wonderful day today. Wishing you a wonderful rest of a week. Sending lots of love out, and take care.